start just below the midline. Roll around.
Mommy, Daddy. Say it. We need some affirmations.
Welcome back to Melted Crayons Part 5. We got a hair dryer. We put some tape in it. Now it's time to do it. Watch this. No, I got it. Hi. Can you hear us? Welcome to Mommy, Aiden just welcome to my house. I'm Avi. I have 36 crayons. It is red, blue, green, white, gold, pink. Mom, we have to make it even smaller. Can I help you? I think we know this.
No, you go this way. You only do the colors. So this I'm moving. Stop pressing.
And what about you, sir?
Avi compostelli.
Okay, so what did you just complete with your mommy?
Melted crayons.
Melted crayons. So what was the first step of doing melted crayons?
Melting the crayons.
Okay, so what did we do first? How do we do it?
We just melt it.
So you just melt it? Did you put it on a piece of paper?
Yes.
Okay, so you got a piece of paper.
And look it.
Okay. Okay, so we have cardboard box. And it looks like, what's on top of the crayons? All right, so you put some tape on top of the crayons. And what does the tape do for the crayons?
It helps it don't go up.
Okay, so it helps it stay still so that way it doesn't fall. Okay, so once you got the tape in the cardboard, in the piece of paper, what did you do to make the crayon make paint looking material?
The air dryer.
Oh, so you had an air dryer or a blow dryer? Blow dryer. That's what it's called? You got a blow dryer? Did you get a blow dryer? All right, so what do we do with the blow dryer?
But this is melting.
It's melting now?
Yeah.
Oh man, so we might have to get a new one. Okay, so what happens when you put the blow dryer onto the crayons?
Also tape.
Oh, tape. Okay.
I mean paint.
Oh, paint? Okay. So what did you do, Abiel?
We made it and it's paint.
Okay, so what about you, Aiden?
That's real paint, but we tried it.
You tried it?
Yes.
All right. Was it fun?
Yes!
All right. Thank you, guys. See you soon.
Bye.